So now let's talk about some practical applications of these affirmations. So affirmations, like goals, need to be unique to you. Okay. Now first of all, you're always going to use the present tense when you're talking about affirmations. I am successful. I am confident. I am capable. Always put it in the present tense and use I. I achieve, I do this, but speak to it in the positive manner, right? So keep it positive. I'm confident. Be specific. I achieve my goals with ease and joy. That would be an example. So some of the best practices for using these affirmations daily is consistency is key. And consistency is key with most things or almost everything, right? So you want to repeat these affirmations at least 5 times a day, morning, evening, or ideal times. I, I have a sheet that I look at. It's both affirmations as well as some positive prayer and some quoting of scripture that help me build those affirmations.